Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Elena Arnaud channel, where we turn your Italian dreams into reality. Today, I'm not just showing you a property, I'm showing you a place where history meets comfort, and the Italian dolce vita meets a vibrant international community. Have you ever dreamed of having your own little corner of Italy, where every evening feels like a scene from a beautiful movie? A place where your terrace opens up to views of the sea and mountains, and just outside your door lies a life full of charm and tranquility. Well, stay with me, because today you're going to see an apartment that has become a true magnet for English speakers, and I'm about to tell you why they're ready to buy it without even waiting for the bank's approval. In the next few minutes, you'll find out why the specific town, Tortoreto Alta, has become an unofficial Little Britain on the Adriatic coast, what a grezzo avanzato state is and why it will save you tens of thousands of euros and a whole lot of stress, what a terrace of nearly 290 square feet looks like, and why the view from it is the best cure for stress. And finally, I'll share the true story of the young couple who are creating their dream nest here until life had other plans. Ready for a tour of your future home? Let's go. We're in the very heart of Tortoreto Alta. Just look around. This isn't a tourist postcard. This is real life. Narrow cobblestone streets, cozy restaurants where locals and foreigners gather in the evenings. And what's amazing is that you hear so much English being spoken here. I'm serious. The Brits aren't just tourists here. They live here. They buy homes. They build a community. The place is buzzing with them. This creates a unique atmosphere. You get to move to Italy and immerse yourself in the culture, but you also have this wonderful community of English speakers to share a coffee with and catch up on the news. It's the perfect balance. And right here in this charming labyrinth of streets, our hidden gem is waiting. And now for the main event. The apartment is currently in what Italians call a grezzo avanzato state. What does that mean? It means all the messy, difficult, and most expensive work has already been done for you. Old plaster, rusty pipes, dodgy wiring, all of it has been ruthlessly stripped out and thrown away. The walls have been reinforced, all the permits from the council have been secured, and the project has been fully approved and legalized. This is the second floor, and everything has been inspected. Essentially, you're not buying a project with potential problems. You're buying a solid, safe, blank canvas ready for the finishing touches. All the fun and creative parts are left for you. Choosing the tiles for the bathroom, deciding on the wall colors, laying the floor. Any neat and honest builder can handle this, whether they're from Italy or Moldova. By the way, the Moldovan builders here have a great reputation for quality. And let's agree, fitting a toilet is a bit different from reinforcing structural walls. Let's walk through the layout. On this first level, we have a huge living room combined with a kitchen area and a bathroom. Then a staircase takes us to the second level. Here, your imagination can run wild. You could create 2 large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms for maximum comfort. Or if you have a big family or expect lots of guests, you could opt for 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It all depends on your budget and your vision. And now, drumroll please, the crown jewel of this apartment, nearly 27 square meters or 290 square feet of pure happiness. Just imagine it. A summer evening, a glass of Prosecco, a gentle sea breeze. The view from up here is so stunning, it leaves you speechless. The sea, the mountains. True, the mountains are a bit hazy right now as I'm filming in the evening after a hot day, but I'll show you a photo of what they look like on a clear, cool morning. It's pure magic. And see that over there in the distance? Just a couple of kilometers away is the Giulianova Marina. You can dock your yacht there and admire your sweet ride while sipping coffee in your living room. This apartment has a story. It was bought by a young couple who carefully chose the spot, dreaming of building their cozy love nest here. But as life often does, it threw them a wonderful surprise. The wife was offered a brilliant job in Milan in the world of high fashion. Of course, she dropped her paintbrushes and spatulas and is now joyfully preparing to move. And that's why this apartment is back on the market. And you know, I saw its value firsthand. While I was opening the door to film this for you, an English couple was walking by. They literally grabbed my arm and asked if they could see the apartment. They looked around, and right now, as we speak, they are on the phone with their bank about a loan. That's the best proof that this property is a real find. Let's talk numbers. How much would it cost to finish this apartment to perfection? With a sensible approach and quality materials from local stores like Brico or Leroy Merlin, you could finish everything for around 49,000 euros. If you want to go for the luxury look with designer furniture and premium finishes, the budget could go up to 80,000 euros. And now for the logistics. This is another huge plus. From here, you're just a 2.5-hour drive from the center of Rome. Milan, where I also have an office, is 3.5 hours away by high-speed train. There are 2 international airports nearby, Pescara, 66 kilometers away, and Ancona, 115 kilometers away. You can get cheap flights to all European capitals from there. A ticket to Paris can be as low as 15 euros. And there's a direct shuttle from Rome's Fiumicino Airport with Wi-Fi and water. Super comfortable. I use it all the time myself. And finally, a little bit about the magic of this region. They say Pontius Pilate himself was born nearby. The great philosopher Giordano Bruno lived and worked here. Mussolini was hidden here during the war. And not far from here, the pop queen Madonna was born. And, well, yours truly also became a local celebrity here thanks to YouTube. I'm no Madonna, of course, but who knows? This is a place for the bold and the talented. Perhaps you'll discover a new talent of your own right here. So if you're looking not just for square meters, but for a dream, a place of power, a home with incredible energy, and a wonderful international community, you've found it. Email me and I'll send you the price and all the details. Come for a viewing, or like that English couple, make an offer right away. All my contact information is in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this little tour. Sending you all a big hug. This is your Elena Arna. Ciao, ciao.